Early in the morning, while the crew was settling into another patrol cycle, the U.S. military radar suddenly picked up an unknown presence near the northern coast of Venezuela. A quick check confirmed it. An unauthorized vessel, moving fast, sitting right inside one of the most notorious drug trafficking corridors in the hemisphere. Once again, traffickers were at work. The U.S. Coast Guard cutter Kimball was already patrolling the region. The moment the alert was transmitted, the crew shifted into action.
Hey, Legend, this monster, we're taking for it. Legend, this monster, we're taking for it. Say it.
Fuera contra Estados Unidos. Más arriba. Más frente al barco ahora. Más al frente. Más a la cabeza.
Frente al barco ahora.
Hey, hold POV. Hold POV.
Frente. Dos al frente. Frente al barco ahora. Frente.
Right, POV.
Más a la cabeza. Frente ahora.
Kimball's fast boat team moved in. The vessel tried to change course, accelerating toward open water, but the chase didn't last long.
No te muevas.
I'm gonna jump over.
Bender, I'm gonna put you on port quarter.
The 4 traffickers, all Hispanophones, were detained without resistance, knowing their run was over the second the Coast Guard appeared on the horizon. The drugs were seized, the vessel secured. But here, far from ports, there's nowhere to store an illegal smuggling boat. So, the protocol is simple and final. The vessel will be destroyed, burned, right there in the open ocean. A clean end to a dirty operation.
There you go, hold it down.
There's no reason for them to sit there. It's gone.
Now set the boat detail starboard side, boat detail starboard side.
Once intercepted, the boarding revealed everything. Hidden under tarps and gear were multiple bales, the same tightly wrapped heavy blocks used by cartel networks. And judging by the spacing on deck and the empty areas inside the hull, experts estimated the load to be close to 100 bales of cocaine before the smugglers dumped part of it into the sea. 100 bales. In cartel terms, that's nearly 2,500 kilograms of cocaine. Street value? Over $70 million once broken down and sold across American cities. And the damage this amount causes in the U.S. is devastating. Violence in major hubs, overdoses, cartels strengthening their financial power, and entire communities suffering from addiction, crime, and instability. Every shipment that slips through feeds the cycle. But not today.
Oh yeah, that's gotta be on fire now. When you light it, you're like completely blind.
Oh, yeah.
I like this far.
If you want more real Coast Guard interdiction stories like this one, hit subscribe. You don't want to miss the next chase.